Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist here. Just plotting things out here, getting the shapes in the right place, getting the right kind of shapes, but not worrying about perfection, just letting the character build. So I got an idea from a Shirley who wanted a pose similar to this, and this was the photo I found that worked for me. So I hope it works for you too, Shirley. A really cute little pose. Kitty's sitting like a gopher or a rabbit or whatever. I love that pose. You end up looking a little funny at this stage sometimes. But it's just about getting the right shapes in. And yes, you are welcome to join our Facebook group if you are truly passionate about drawing cats. You'll find the link to that in the video description below. And it's growing. Always happy to have new members. So now I'm starting to darken up some of the lines that I do like. Letting all those extra lines just kind of fade away into background tone. The drawing wouldn't be the same without them. It really helps add energy and movement, having those extra preliminary lines in the background. I love the expression that I've created. Tabby markings are wonderful. They really help shape the contour of Kitty's body. And yes, we love subscribers. And if you hit that little bell, you'll know when the next video is up there. Helps build our wonderful community of crazy cat artists. And I love to hear from you. I got this idea from a viewer's request, and you are welcome to make your own request of what you want to learn about cat drawing, or just tell me about yourself or your cat. If you have a video idea, put video idea in capital letters in your comment, and that way I should be able to find it more quickly. That eraser comes in just as handy as the pencil. I'm liking that. Just tweaking that expression a bit. You know, I try to put, when I'm trying something new, I try to put gentle lines in first because then it is easier to erase if it doesn't work for me. I like Kitty. Looks like Kitty wants something. Finishing touches. We'll put some whiskers in. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.